Within your eyes reside all your tears, all your joys, and all your longings in this world. We all discover the world through our eyes. Each color awakens a mood. However, when our eyesight fades, scientists are asked, who can sharpen our perception again? So that we can see for as long as possible, Professor Marius Ader forges along his own path and takes serious illnesses beyond their shadows.
RP is a disease that is characterized by loss of the rod photoreceptors, so the photoreceptors are localized in the periphery of the retina, and these are very important for dim light or night light vision. And if people lose rods or they are dysfunctional, then they can't orientate anymore when it's night, and they develop a so-called tunnel view. So that means only the central parts of the visual field are still visible.
Over the years, this gradual loss of rod photoreceptors leads to complete blindness among those affected.
We are often patients completely lose their rod photoreceptors, and the idea is to replace them with new photoreceptors we can generate in the cell culture dish. And we have now protocols working that allows us to generate these rod photoreceptors from stem cells in the cell culture dish and take them for transplantation to replace the rods. Indeed, we could show in animal experiments that these cells very nicely survive and can be even mature and be functional after transplantation. And that was actually the starting point to say, yeah, that might be really a way to develop a new treatment or a new therapy for blinding diseases. So our aim is to bring these retinal cells back into blind people that can't see anything, and that would be a tremendous difference in their day-to-day life, where they maybe from seeing nothing can orientate again, see bright areas in comparison to dark, or can even start to read a bit anymore. That would be a tremendous improvement of their day-to-day life quality, actually.